हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ओमनी ज्ञान। मेरे चैनल ओमनी ज्ञान में आप सब लोगों को फिर से बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। सो टुडे आई एम एक्चुअली स्टार्टिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, आई एम स्टार्टिंग द लेसन फ्रॉम द बुक फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट. Okay, the second book that you have for class 10. Okay, so today we will be learning the first lesson, The Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot, and this is from Footprints Without Feet for class 10 MBOS. And as I always do, I'm going to make here a paragraph by paragraph, a page by page explanation for all of you. Okay, so full explanation. So without any delay, let us start the explanation. Okay, now the full summary. Okay, so the story begins with Mrs. Pumphrey, who is a rich lady, and taking her dog Tricky for a walk. So Mrs. Pumphrey had a dog, and the name of the dog was Tricky. And this Mrs. Pumphrey was a very rich lady, and she was taking her dog Tricky for a walk. Okay, for a normal walk, which she takes, which she does every day. Okay, अपने कुत्ते को लेके वो बाहर walk पे जाती है, और ये every day होता है. Now there's a veterinary doctor whose name is James Herriot. Actually, the writer himself is has experienced this particular thing, and the writer, who is James Herriot, is now telling the story. Okay, so everywhere in the story where you see I here refers to James Herriot. Okay, who is also referred to as Mr. Herriot in the story. Okay, तो इसको आप जो है ये वेटरनरी डॉक्टर जो है वो खुद हमारे राइटर है, जेम्स हेरियट. ओके, so this Mr. Herriot, a veterinary doctor, sees Tricky and is shocked. So when this veterinary doctor sees Tricky with Mrs. Pumphrey going for a walk, this doctor, Mr. Herriot, becomes very shocked. Why? Because the dog has become hugely fat. ये जो कुत्ता है Tricky, इसको देख के जो Mr. Herriot है, who is a doctor, veterinary doctor, he is shocked because the dog has become hugely fat, and he looked like a bloated sausage with legs at both ends. इसका मतलब ये कि the dog had become so fat that he could not keep his legs straight, and actually because of his fatty muscles, the legs have become apart. Actually, it has gone on both sides in a very peculiar manner. Okay, so this doctor is shocked to see, and he's concerned about the health of this dog. Okay, so the doctor advises Mrs. Pumphrey to stop overfeeding Tricky. तो डॉक्टर जो है मिसेस पाम्फ्री को ये एडवाइस देती है कि आप ओवर फीड मत करवाइए, आप ज्यादा खाना मत खिलाइए ट्रिकी को. ओके, डोंट फीड द डॉग with too much food. Okay, however, Mrs. Pumphrey cannot refuse the dog and continues to spoil him with food. But Mrs. Pumphrey, she says that, and here we learn that Mrs. Pumphrey explained to the doctor that she had thought that Tricky had become malnourished, so she gave him more food. Now, Mrs. Pumphrey explained to the doctor that actually, doctor, I thought that Tricky has become malnourished. Malnourished due to less food. That is why I used to give him more food. Okay, and she continued to give him more food because you see Tricky's, there were some favorite food of this dog Tricky, and Mrs. Pumphrey, actually whenever the dog wanted to eat his favorite food, Mrs. Pumphrey could not refuse the dog, and she continued to give him more and more food. Okay, because Mrs. Pumphrey also thought that Tricky had become malnourished due to lack of food. मतलब इतना खाना वो देती है, Mrs. Pumphrey gives Tricky so much food, but still she thought that this fatness is because Tricky does not receive proper food. So she used to give him more and more food. Okay, so she regularly gave Tricky malt and cod liver oil and bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. So खाने के ऊपर खाने, उसे food and food Mrs. Pumphrey used to give Tricky, and these are the foods: malt and cod liver oil, bowl of Horlicks at night, so that Tricky could sleep peacefully. Okay, and she even gave the dog cream cakes and chocolates since Tricky loved those. So Tricky's favorite food was actually cream cakes and chocolates. Okay, so Mrs. Pumphrey could not refuse the dog from giving cream cakes and chocolates. Every day she used to give these food items to Tricky because Tricky loved these cream cakes and chocolates. So as a result, you see, Tricky falls sick and the doctor is called to check on him. So even after Mr. Herriot, who is the doctor, he gave advice that don't feed Tricky, but still, you see, Mrs. Pumphrey goes on giving food and food, and ultimately Tricky falls ill. And immediately this doctor is called so that he could check Tricky. Okay. Now the doctor asked if Mrs. Pumphrey gave Tricky plenty of exercises. Now, along with food, exercise is also important. So the doctor asks Mrs. Pumphrey that along with food, do you take, do you give plenty of exercises for Tricky? Now Mrs. Pumphrey replied that the dog goes for short walks every day. So Mrs. Pumphrey replies that I take the dog for walk every day. मैं every day मैं अपने dog Tricky को walk पे लेके जाता हूँ, short walk पे लेके जाता हूँ. So this is the only exercise. And there is another exercise, but right then that exercise is stopped. What is that exercise? But since her gardener Hodgkin has been sick with back pain, which is lumbago. If you look at the book, you'll see the word lumbago. Lumbago is a back pain. Okay, so they haven't been able to play ring throwing games recently. So there is another exercise called the ring throwing game. Okay, ring एक ring होता है उसको throw करना and Tricky would go and fetch that ring. Okay, so that is also another exercise that they used to do. But um, because the gardener, Hodgkin was sick, he was having back pain. That is why that game has also stopped now. क्योंकि उनका गार्डनर जो है हॉटकिन उसके बैक में पेन है इसलिए ये पर्टिकुलर गेम अभी के लिए स्टॉप्ड है ये रिंग थ्रोइंग का गेम it has stopped for the time being so only walk okay so the doctor felt that no only walking will not do because Tricky is suffering from a very bad disease okay so the doctor now seriously advised Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky would be seriously ill if she did not control over Tricky's diet and did not give the dog a lot of exercise तो अब डॉक्टर ने जो है मिस्टर हेरियट हु इज डॉक्टर he warned Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky will be seriously ill if you do not have control over Tricky's diet जो खाना आप देती है ट्रिकी को वो बहुत ज्यादा है उस पर अगर आपने कंट्रोल नहीं किया and if the dog is not given a lot of exercise then your Tricky will fall seriously ill okay anyways Mr. Harriet the narrator watched Tricky with growing worry so you see Mr. Harriet was actually worried of Tricky because Tricky's health was going Tricky was growing fatter and fatter and health was also going down day by day so that is why you see um, Mr. Harriet actually felt very worried about Tricky okay so slowly, Tricky became weak and tottering in his tweed coat. He had many coats for cold and rainy weather. So Tricky started becoming very, very weak. Okay, and Tricky always tottered in his coat because Tricky had many coats. Now let me tell you, Mrs. Pumphrey, I told you in the beginning also, is a very rich lady. So she had plenty of toys, plenty of coats made for Tricky. Okay, so this these coats were made for the cold and rainy weather, so that Tricky does not feel cold. ताकि Tricky को ठंडा ना लगे इसलिए मिसेस पाम्फ्री ने ये बहुत सारे कपड़े कोट्स Tricky के लिए लेके रखा था ओके तो but Tricky was becoming weak day by day. Now slowly Tricky refused to eat food. तो Tricky ने खाना बंद कर दिया. Even Tricky did not have his favorite food also. Moreover, Tricky vomited. Tricky जो है वो vomit करता था. And he lay panting on the rug. Okay? Panting मतलब, breathing problem. Tricky started having breathing problem. He started, having very heavy breaths. बहुत heavy breaths होता था. सांस जो है वो बहुत heavy हो चुका था. And जैसे हम लोग when we become tired we pant no pant मतलब heavy breath comes okay when we become tired so Tricky always used to pant like that okay sitting on a rug and he showed no interest in walks or activities so earlier Tricky was very active very playful but now Tricky was becoming weak Tricky refused to eat food even his favorite food he vomited all the time his breath had become heavy and he did not show any interest in walks or any fun activities okay now Mr. Harriet decided Tricky needed to be taken out of the house so finally Mr. Harriet decided and told Mrs. Pumphrey that you see Tricky has to be taken out of the house for some time and suggested hospitalization for at least 2 weeks 2 हफ्ते के लिए for 2 weeks Tricky needs to be admitted in the hospital otherwise Tricky will not become healthy okay so Mrs. Pumphrey was actually shocked and worried because when the doctor mentioned about hospital, that means the problem is serious. See, until and unless the doctor advises that you get admitted in the hospital, we are okay. But when the moment the doctor will tell that you have to be hospitalized, that means the disease is serious. So the same became with Tricky also. Okay, so Mrs. Pumphrey was very much shocked, worried. Okay, she became very sad, and that Tricky would be sad or even die if he did not see her daily. Now, Mrs. Pumphrey had such a bonding with her dog, Tricky, that she felt that, you know, if she did not see Tricky regularly, then Tricky might die also. Tricky will become sad, or even Tricky might die also. Tricky मर भी जा सकता है, या Tricky जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा सैड हो सकता है अगर Tricky ने अपने मालिक को, मिसेस पाम्फ्री को रोज नहीं देखा तो. But Mr. Harriet, he decided to take Tricky without delay. But Mr. Harriet suggested Mrs. Pumphrey that, see, if you want your dog to be alive, you have to get him hospitalized. Okay? And he did not pay any attention to Mrs. Pumphrey's emotional reaction. Okay? What is important now is Tricky's treatment, and that treatment has to be done in the hospital only. It cannot be done at home. ये घर पे नहीं हो सकता. इसलिए मिस्टर हेरियट ने कहा कि रोना धोना करके कोई फायदा नहीं. इट इज नो यूज क्राइंग एंड शोइंग इमोशंस. इट इज नाउ द टाइम टू बी प्रैक्टिकल. So we have to take Tricky to the hospital and get him admitted there. Now, the household staff of Mrs. Pumphrey actually gathered many items like beds, cushions, toys, bowls. All these were for Tricky actually. क्योंकि घर का मालिक जो है, Mrs. Pumphrey is a very rich lady, so she had luxurious items at home. Like she had a separate bed for Tricky, cushions for Tricky, toys and bowls, all for Tricky. Okay, so all the servants of Mrs. Pumphrey's house, they gathered all the items because all these items will be sent to the hospital, so that Tricky feels at home in the hospital also. ये सारा आइटम जो है, मिसेस पाम्फ्री चाहती थी कि ये सारा आइटम जो है ये ट्रिकी के साथ हॉस्पिटल में रहे, ताकि ट्रिकी जो है वो थोड़ा होमली फील करे हॉस्पिटल में भी. As Mr. Harrier drove away, Mrs. Pumphrey threw more coats through the car window as the car was overstuffed. अब क्या हुआ कि Mrs. Pumphrey had put all these items, beds, cushions, toys, bowls in a car. Okay, गाड़ी के अंदर रख दिया. अब गाड़ी जो है वो ओवरस्टफ हो गया. ठीक है ना, गाड़ी जो पूरा भर गया गाड़ी, अब गाड़ी में जगह नहीं है. देयर इज नो स्पेस इन द कार. So as the car moved, as Mr. Harriet was driving the car, Mrs. Pumphrey threw, some coats from the car window because the car was overstuffed. गाड़ी बहुत भर चुका था, इसलिए गाड़ी जब स्टार्ट हुआ तो मिसेस पाम्फ्री ने ट्रिकी के कोट्स और कुछ आइटम जो है कार के विंडो से बाहर फेंकना शुरू किया. ओके, सो दैट द कार बिकम्स अ लिटिल एम्प्टी, सो दैट गाड़ी जो है वो थोड़ा एम्प्टी हो जाए. सो ऑन द रोड ट्रिकी वाज वीक एंड स्ट्रगलिंग टू ब्रीथ. तो जैसे जैसे गाड़ी मूव हो रहा था, एज द कार वाज ट्रेवलिंग ऑन द रोड, मूविंग ऑन द रोड, ट्रिकी वाज बिकमिंग वीकर एंड ही वाज स्ट्रगलिंग टू ब्रीथ. सांस लेने में बहुत तकलीफ हो रहा था ट्रिकी को. ठीक है. Now, despite Tricky's condition, Mr. Harriet believed he knew how to cure him. So, Mr. Harriet is a very good vet actually. बहुत अच्छे वो जानवर के डॉक्टर है. Is very good vet. So Tricky's condition was becoming bad, but Mr. Harriet knew the methods how to cure Tricky. Okay, so finally he was hospitalized. हुआ Tricky, and at the surgery, the household dogs surrounded Tricky, but he looked dull and lifeless. So हॉस्पिटल मतलब दिस इज अ हॉस्पिटल फॉर द एनिमल्स. ओके, ये हॉस्पिटल जो है ये सिर्फ एनिमल्स के लिए है. तो देयर वेर अदर डॉग्स आल्सो इन दैट हॉस्पिटल. ओके, तो इन दैट हॉस्पिटल एक्चुअली देयर वेर अदर डॉग्स, एंड ऑल दोस डॉग्स सराउंडेड ट्रिकी बिकॉज अनदर डॉग हैड कम. क्योंकि उन सारे कुत्तों ने जो है ये नया कुत्ता देखा, तो सारे जो है ट्रिकी के आसपास घूमने लगे. ऑल सराउंडेड ट्रिकी. ओके, but Tricky did not pay any attention. He looked very dull, very weak, and just lifeless. Okay. Now Tricky was placed on the floor. तो Tricky को जमीन पे रखा गया हॉस्पिटल में ले जाके. He was placed on the floor, but Tricky did not move. Tricky lay motionless on the floor. Okay, he did not move. And the other dogs came. They sniffed Tricky. Tricky को आके उन्होंने थोड़ा स्मेल किया, स्निफ किया. तो स्निफ करने के बाद इग्नोर करके बाकी कुत्ते चले गए. All the other dogs, they sniffed Tricky for some times, and then they found him uninteresting and ignored him because all the dogs wanted to play with this new dog, Tricky. But Tricky did not move, so the other dogs found him very uninteresting. तो बाकी कुत्तों को लगा ये जो नया कुत्ता आया है बहुत uninteresting है, बहुत boring सा कुत्ता है, तो उसको इग्नोर करके all the other dogs, they ignored Tricky and went away from there. Mr. Harriet made a warm bed for Tricky in a box near where the other dogs slept. Now, let me tell you one thing. Mrs. Harriet had already sent bed, cushions, toys, and other things for Tricky, but Mr. Harriet did not use any of the items that were sent by Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey ने जो भी item send किया, उसे Mr. Harriet ने इस्तेमाल नहीं किया, use नहीं किया. So he was Mr. Harriet himself made a very warm bed for Tricky in a box, एक बॉक्स के अंदर, और वो बॉक्स पूरा जो है वो कवर्ड था. That box was covered and Tricky was placed inside. Tricky को अंदर रखा गया. One comfortable bed was made for Tricky. Okay, जो गर्म था थोड़ा. और you know even near this box where Tricky was kept, there were other boxes also where other dogs were there. बाकी कुत्ते इस बॉक्स में रहते थे, and these boxes were all covered. Okay, ये बॉक्सेस बिल्कुल कवर्ड थे. ठीक है. सो फॉर 2 days ट्रिकी वाज गिवन नो फूड, ओनली वाटर वाज गिवन टू ट्रिकी. 2 दिन तक, फॉर 2 days ट्रिकी वाज नॉट गिवन एनी फूड, ओनली वाटर वाज गिवन टू ट्रिकी. On the second day, Tricky started showing interest in his surroundings. So सेकेंड डे ट्रिकी थोड़ा सा बेहतर फील किया. ट्रिकी रिकवर्ड अ लिटिल बिट. ओके, ट्रिकी ने थोड़ा सा रिकवर किया एंड ही स्टार्टेड टेकिंग इंटरेस्ट इन हिज सराउंडिंग्स. तो अपने आसपास के कुत्तों को देख के व्हेन ट्रिकी सॉ द डॉग्स अराउंड हिम, ही बिकेम अ लिटिल इंटरेस्टेड बिकॉज ही वाज ग्रोइंग हेल्दियर. ट्रिकी थोड़ा सा हेल्दी होता जा रहा था. ठीक है. But the third day he whimpered on hearing the other dogs in the yard. So on the third day Tricky recovered more. Tricky और ज़्यादा healthy हुआ. And in the yard, in the ground, open ground outside, when Tricky heard the other dogs barking, Tricky became very excited and he started whimpering in excitement. Okay, not barking, actually whimpering on when he heard the other dogs playing in the yard. तो बाकी कुत्ते जो यार्ड में खेल रहे थे, ट्रिकी को आवाज आया उन कुत्तों का barkings का, तो Tricky also started whimpering. Okay, softly he started barking. Okay, soft bark. Okay, बहुत ही soft barking वो कर रहा था. Okay, all right. So when the door was opened, Tricky joined the other dogs. Now you see, Mr. Harriet felt that Tricky had recovered now, so Mr. Harriet opened the door, okay, of the box also and the main door also, and Tricky quickly ran away and joined the other dogs. तो ट्रिकी बाहर निकला और बाकी कुत्तों को उसने ज्वाइन किया. Who inspected him before moving off? Now all the other dogs also surrounded Tricky. They started inspecting him क्योंकि एक नया कुत्ता आया ना उनके ग्रुप में. One new dog has come into the group, so they started sniffing him as if inspecting him that whether he can be our friend or not. Okay, then they started playing with Tricky. So Tricky and all the other dogs started playing together. So Tricky followed the other dogs, rolling slightly due to his extra fat. Now Tricky still could not move because he was still fat. तो Tricky जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा फैट होने के कारण, because he was too much fat, that is why Tricky could not run very fast like the other dogs. So sometimes he would roll on the yard. In the yard he would roll on the ground. Okay, because of his heavy body. ठीक है. Now at feeding time, Tristan is a helper of Mr. Harriet. Okay, Tristan served food and the dogs rushed to eat quickly to avoid competition. ठीक है. तो जैसे ही खाने खाने का टाइम होता था, when there would be the feeding time, lunch time, dinner time, whatever it is, so Tristan, the helper of Mr. Harriet, he served food to all the dogs and all the dogs would rush to eat quickly so that there is no competition. जो जैसे ही Tristan खाना लेके आता था, सारे कुत्ते जो है भाग के जाते थे कि कौन सबसे पहले खा सकता है, who can eat first. Okay, who can grab the bowl first. Okay, so Tricky gradually began to return to normal behavior. So Tricky धीरे धीरे करके रिकवर हुआ, his health recovered and he began started to normal behavior. फिर से वो normal behavior Tricky ने करना शुरू किया. Okay, so after finishing the food, Tricky walked around licking bowls casually. तो खाना खाने के बाद Tricky walked around and he licked the bowls. जिस बाउल में खाना मिलता था, on the bowl where food would be served, Tricky used to lick the bowls. Okay, very casually. Okay, बहुत playfully he used to lick the bowls. Okay, so Tricky was actually becoming healthier. Then the next day an extra bowl was put out and Tricky eagerly jostled to get food. तो नेक्स्ट डे में एक एक्स्ट्रा बाउल वहां पे लगाया गया and Tricky also ate that food very happily. So without any medicine he played all day with other dogs enjoying rough games. So Tricky was actually not given any medicine, it was just diet and exercise. तो वो बस डाइट और एक्सरसाइज हुआ करता था and he played all day with other dogs. पूरे दिन Tricky जो है बाकी कुत्तों के साथ खेलता था and he would enjoy all the rough games, running, jumping on one another. Okay, so Tricky became a part of the dog gang, fighting for food, hunting rats at night. So Tricky was now healthier. Tricky could run fast also. And what Tricky would do is that he had actually become a part of the dog gang. So कुत्तों का gang का वो एक member बन गया. and he would fight for food. जब Tristan खाना लेके आता था, when Tristan would bring food, so he would also fight, and who can go first and eat the food. And at night, all the dogs would hunt rats. तो रात को जो है सारे कुत्ते मिलके जो है चूहों को hunting करते थे. Okay. And Mrs. Pumphrey was in the house actually. Mrs. Pumphrey was not allowed to go to the hospital. So Mrs. Pumphrey used to call anxiously many times a day. Every day Mrs. Pumphrey used to call, and not only once, every day she used to call many times to know about Tricky, for updates on Tricky. तो मिसेस पाम्फ्री हमेशा जो है मिस्टर हेरियट को कॉल करती रहती थी. शी वुड एवरी डे कॉल many टाइम्स टू मिस्टर हेरियट so that she could get more updates on Tricky's health. Okay. फिर हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let us move. Mr. Harriet avoided answering questions about cushions and coats. Now you see, Mrs. Pumphrey used to ask Mr. Harriet that Mr. Harriet, I sent the beds, the cushions, so do you use them? Is my dog Tricky sleeping on the cushions? Is my dog wearing the coats? But Mr. Harriet always avoided answering questions about cushions and coats. Mr. Harriet ने कभी कभी इन चीजों का जवाब नहीं दिया. He only assured her that Tricky was recovering well. तो वो बस मिस्टर हेरियट बस इतने ही कहते थे. He would only tell this much, that see Mrs. Pumphrey, Tricky is doing well, he is recovering, so you don't worry about all these things, and he would hang the phone. Okay, वो फोन डिस्कनेक्ट कर देता था मिस्टर हेरियट. Okay. And Mrs. Pumphrey actually wanted to, sort of a bribery actually. Okay. um, so that she was worried about Tricky also. Okay, so she would keep asking and asking, and you see, she was worried about Tricky's food, so she started sending fresh eggs and later on bottles of wine to build Tricky's health. तो ट्रिकी के लिए फ्रेश एग्स भेजती थी मिसेस पाम्फ्री. ओके. देन शी वुड आल्सो सेंड बॉटल्स ऑफ वाइन so that Tricky's strength, Tricky could become stronger, okay, by eating fresh eggs and wines. Okay. But you see, Mr. Harriet and his partners were so clever that they never gave the eggs and the wine to Tricky, because that was not good for Tricky's health. So rather they used to do what? Mr. Harriet and his partner enjoyed the eggs and wine, turning meals into a grand occasion. तो पहले जब eggs आया, तो Mr. Harriet and his partners would eat the egg but not give to Tricky. And then when after some time, Mrs. Pumphrey also started sending bottles of wines also. Okay, so when the bottles of wine came, it was a party time. It was just like a grand party for Mr. Harriet and his partners. Okay, these things were not given to Tricky. ये चीजें Tricky को नहीं दिया जाता था. Now these things Mrs. Pumphrey does not know, because Mrs. Pumphrey used to think that Mr. Harriet used to give eggs and wine to her dog Tricky, but no, Mr. Harriet, instead Mr. Harriet and his partners used to enjoy eggs and wine. Okay, so their lunch and dinner became into a grand party, turned into a grand party. Okay. So Tricky the dog was given brandy to improve his health. So Tricky ko, क्योंकि it was cold also, so Tricky was given little brandy. Okay, brandy is a type of a wine. So Tricky was given brandy so that Tricky could improve his health, and it was inhaled. It was not only drunk, but Tricky would inhale also. उसको सूंघता भी था Tricky, and little Tricky was given little bit of brandy so that he could drink, and that was given with too much care. ऐसा नहीं कि पूरा बॉटल दे दिया Tricky को और Tricky ने पूरा brandy पी लिया. Not like that. Okay, Tricky would be given little bit of brandy and with very much care, and sometimes Tricky would also inhale the brandy. Now, Tricky's days were very enjoyable. Tricky was enjoying like anything with the other dogs in that vet hospital. Okay, starting with an extra egg in the morning. अब Tricky को धीरे धीरे करके egg पिलाया गया. Then they started giving wine also at midday, and ending with brandy sitting by the fire. तो दिन को जो है मॉर्निंग को एग से शुरू होता था ट्रिकी का खाना. ब्रेकफास्ट वुड स्टार्ट विद एक्स्ट्रा एग. Then during the noon time, okay, दोपहर को during the noon time, wine, little bit of wine was given to Tricky. And then at night, sitting by the fire, क्योंकि it was cold, sitting by the fire, Tricky would be given little bit of brandy with very much care. Okay, तो धीरे धीरे करके जो है ये सब खाना ट्रिकी को खिलाया जाता था. Okay, Tricky would be given all these food items slowly. Okay, because the doctor knew the technique, the method how to treat Tricky. Now you see, Tricky had not only become a part of the dog family, the other dogs gang, but Tricky had also become a very lovable dog for Mr. Harriet also, and for the partners of Mr. Harriet also. Mr. Harriet and all his partners actually started loving Tricky very much. Now it was time for Tricky, because Tricky had recovered. ट्रिकी जो है उसका हेल्थ अब अच्छा हो चुका था, हिज हेल्थ वाज गुड नाउ, सो इट वाज टाइम नाउ फॉर ट्रिकी टू गो होम. So it was, though it was tempting to keep Tricky as a permanent guest in that vet hospital, Mr. Harriet realized that Mrs. Pumphrey was very worried. Okay, तो मिस्टर हेरियट और उनके पार्टनर्स ट्रिकी को परमानेंटली रखना चाहते थे इन देयर वेट हॉस्पिटल, because Tricky was a very cute dog. But then Mr. Harriet realized that no, Mrs. Pumphrey was missing her dog, her favorite dog. Okay, and Mrs. Pumphrey was very worried at home because 2 weeks Mrs. Pumphrey did not see her dog. So Mr. Harriet, he realized this fact. So after 2 weeks, 2 हफ्ते के बाद, Mr. Harriet informed Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky had fully recovered. You can take him home now. ठीक है. तो मिस्टर हेरियट ने मिसेस पाम्फ्री को एक दिन कॉल किया और कहा कि ट्रिकी अब ठीक हो चुका है, ट्रिकी हैड रिकवर्ड, सो यू कैन टेक हिम होम. एंड मिसेस पाम्फ्री अराइव्ड इन अ लग्जरियस कार. ओके, तो मिसेस पाम्फ्री जो है एक बहुत ही लग्जरियस गाड़ी में आए एंड एंक्शियसली आस्किंग इफ ट्रिकी वाज रियली बेटर. Okay, Mrs. Pumphrey is a very rich lady, so she came with her car to take Tricky with her, and she asked very anxiously to Mr. Harriet, is Tricky really okay? Has Tricky really recovered? Is Tricky really healthy now? All these things she asked very curiously. Okay, and Mr. Harriet, he very confidently assured her that yes, Tricky is having a very good health now. You can take Tricky at home. Now, in the garden, Tricky was seen playing energetically. In the garden means in the vet garden. Okay, in this hospital garden only, in this vet garden only, Tricky was playing very energetically with other dogs. So मिस्टर हेरियट जो है, उन्होंने मिसेस पाम्फ्री को कहा, मिस्टर हेरियट told Mrs. Pumphrey that you sit here, I'll bring Tricky. He is now playing in the garden. So Tricky was playing very energetically with other dogs in the garden, and he was now fit and very hard muscled. All his fatty muscles were now, recovered, and he was now fit and very hard muscled. He had become a very strong dog now. Okay, so anyways, in just 2 weeks, Tricky had transformed into a healthy and active dog. 2 हफ्ते में, सिर्फ 2 हफ्ते में, in only 2 weeks. Okay, 14-15 days, Tricky had become a very healthy and a very active dog. Mr. Harriet carried Tricky back to the front of the house. House in the sense, this is the vet's clinic actually, या vet hospital. ये एक घर के जैसे ही है. It is just like a house only. तो मिस्टर हेरियट ने ट्रिकी को उठाया when Tricky was playing in the garden, and he brought him to the front of the house. Now the car of Mrs. Pumphrey was ready outside. Mrs. Pumphrey की कार जो है वो बाहर ready था, and the chauffeur is a driver, okay, was holding the car door open. तो chauffeur मालिक कभी दरवाजा नहीं खोलते हैं. The owner of the car does not open the door. It is the driver who opens the door. So the driver, opened the door, and on seeing Mrs. Pumphrey, Tricky leapt from Mr. Harriet's arms into her lap and started licking her face and barking in excitement. तो जैसे ही Tricky when Tricky saw Mrs. Pumphrey, his owner, he jumped from Mr. Harriet's lap to Mrs. Pumphrey's lap, and he started licking Mrs. Pumphrey's face, and he started barking in excitement after seeing his owner after a long time. तो बहुत 2 हफ्ते बाद, after 2 weeks, 14-15 days, Tricky was seeing his owner, Mrs. Pumphrey. So he became very excited. तो मिस्टर हेरियट के गोद में वो जम करके चला गया मिसेस पाम्फ्री के गोद में, और उनके फेस जो है वो चाटने लगे, and he started barking in excitement now. Okay. Now, during the excitement, Mr. Harriet and the chauffeur brought out Tricky's belongings. Now, at the time when Tricky was licking and barking in Mrs. Pumphrey's lap, Mr. Harriet and the driver, they went inside and they brought out Tricky's belongings, which Mrs. Pumphrey had given at the time when Tricky was admitted in the hospital. जब ट्रिकी को हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट किया गया, तो you know that Mrs. Pumphrey had given so many things. So all those things Mr. Harriet and the driver brought outside: beds, toys, cushions, coats, bowls, एंड ऑल ऑफ these items were not used. ये सारे आइटम्स को हॉस्पिटल में यूज नहीं किया गया. वी ऑलरेडी नो दिस थिंग. ओके, तो सारे सामान जो है ट्रिकी का सारा सामान जो मिसेस पाम्फ्री ने भेजा था वो मिस्टर हेरियट और जो ड्राइवर है, शॉफर है, वो बाहर लेके आया और गाड़ी में रख दिया. दे पुट ऑल दिस थिंग्स इनसाइड द कार and now the car left. Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window with tears in her eyes, actually. So Mrs. Pumphrey was very, very happy, at the same time emotional because Mr. Harriet had, worked very hard, and Mr. Harriet had actually the whole credit of making the dog Tricky healthy. So she had tears in her eyes and she thanked Mr. Harriet with tears. तो आंखों में आंसू लेके मिस्टर हेरियट को थैंक यू बोला मिसेस पाम्फ्री ने. एंड शी कॉल्ड इट इज अ ट्रायम्फ ऑफ सर्जरी. ट्रायम्फ मीन्स विक्ट्री, तो इट इज एक्चुअली अ विक्ट्री ऑफ सर्जरी. ओके, तो as the car moved with tears in her eyes, Mrs. Pumphrey thanked Mr. Harriet and she called that, Mr. Harriet, it is a victory of surgery and you are one of the biggest surgeons. Okay, you are one of the biggest doctor that I have ever seen, something like that. Okay, so she called it a triumph of surgery, and that is why the name of the story is the triumph of surgery. Triumph means victory here, and the car left, and all ended very happily. Okay, so this is all about the story, a triumph of सर्जरी. आई होप यू लाइक द स्टोरी. आपको स्टोरी बहुत अच्छा लगा है. तो इफ यू लाइक द स्टोरी प्लीज पुट अ लाइक. ओके, आप सब लोग जो है लाइक कर दीजिए. एंड आई हैव नाउ, एज यू सी दिस स्क्रीन, आई हैव ऑल्सो गिवन दिस एडवर्टाइजमेंट इन on both my YouTube community also and on both Instagram also. Now especially Emboss English and additional English notes are being prepared by me and offered. Okay, and students have already started to purchase. Okay, and these are in very very minimum rates. बहुत मैंने कम दाम में ये रेट्स रखा है. अगर आप लोगों को नोट्स चाहिए तो go to Instagram. I have given what you have to do if you have to get these notes. Some students have already purchased notes from me and they're very very happy. Let me tell you, instantly the moment they made the payment, they gave me the screenshot and I provided the note on their mail. Remember, PDF cannot be given on Instagram. मैंने कोशिश किया था. I had tried giving the PDF on Instagram, but it does not go. So you must have a valid mail. तो आपके पास एक email ID होना चाहिए जहां पे मैं ये notes आपको भेज सकता हूँ. तो whichever notes you need, because so many students have already purchased the notes from me, and earlier it was 59 rupees. Now I have kept the price only to 29 rupees per lesson. उसमें जो भी lesson आपको चाहिए from class 9 to class 12, but English and additional English only, not any other subject. Okay, I'm trying to bring more subjects actually, but for the time being it is English and additional English. If you need the notes from classes 9 to 12, you can contact me on Instagram, DM me on Instagram, and then I will show you the process what to do. Okay, so if you wish to perform better, these are all graded notes that I prepare with a lot of care. All right, and I am giving, there are many notes available free of cost on my website, but there are some special notes which I have kept. You have to buy the notes because I have 2-3 people who are working for me and I have to pay them also. ठीक है, और टाइपिंग के लिए सारी चीजों को कंपाइल करने के लिए, इन ऑर्डर टू कंपाइल ऑल दिस थिंग्स, टाइपिंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स, ओके, आई हैव टू पे टू दिस 2-3 people. Okay, so for that I am charging a very minimum amount from all of you. Okay, many students have already taken, you know there were so many students contact me on Instagram and they're very happy with the notes that they have received. Okay, all are very special notes. So either you can contact me on my mail if you want, or you can straight away DM me on my Instagram. आप मुझे Instagram में भी DM कर सकते हैं. ये मेरा Instagram ID. Okay, so with this I would like to end the video, and if you like the explanation, please subscribe to the channel, like and share my videos. Follow me on Instagram, follow my website. These are the QR codes you can scan. एनीवेज द लिंक्स आर ऑल्सो गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. वहां पे चाहिए मुझे डीएम कीजिए. अगर आपको नोट्स चाहिए तो डीएम मी इफ यू वांट द नोट्स. यू कैन मेल मी ऑल्सो इफ यू वांट द नोट्स. ओके, so anyways, that's all. Thank you so much. With love from Omnigyan and all the best to all of you. Thank you so much.